the Vaptio Cosmo Kit. Stick around if you want to learn about it. If I like it, if I don't like it, I'll tell you real quick too. My friends, Dan the Man here. Welcome back to the channel. The cat's been bugging me, but she's not right now. Got my headphones on today. I just recorded a whole video, again, with no sound, or with a tinny sound, because the headphones were over there, and enough of that, okay? Let's get into it. I'm going to change it up a little bit today. I think it might be better if I tell you what I think about it up right at the beginning. That way, if you don't want to watch the close-up, you don't have to. Let's get the first question out of the way. The question that I used to wait to the end, and that is, would I buy one of these if I lost it? Yes, I would. Thank you very much. I like this a lot. Even the pink. It's just elegant. I think it's a good looking piece, man. And I gotta tell you now, the girls, the women, the babes, they dig it too. All of my friends that are of the female persuasion want it. Even the ones that don't vape. Just kidding. 35 bucks. I found it on the internet. At Vaptio, they're charging 40, and I think free shipping. So it comes out in the wash. I think it's a little high, personally, for this device. I would look around more for sales. I've been looking for a device that I can take out of the house with me and blow some clouds. Normally I take a mouth to lung with me because I don't put nicotine in my sub-ohm devices. I get my nicotine from my mouth to lungs. Now, one of the things I like about this is to change the airflow, you turn the tank. And believe me, I didn't figure that out at first. And you have it on the other side, but there aren't two holes on that side, only on this side. Those two holes are for the mouth to lung, and they work really quite well. Even though this device I'm using as a restricted mouth to lung, and it works for that too. So if you're a beginner, you could get this device and still keep it when you wanted to branch out into direct lung hitting. You can do it with this. So you don't have to go and buy another device yet. You know what I mean? But once it becomes a hobby, you won't be able to help yourself. You'll start buying devices. It's just the nature of the beast. And if you're in the States, that's if you don't become a criminal for vaping, for quitting smoking. Yeah. You know what runs this country, don't you? Money, money, money. Money. It's all they give a damn about. They don't care about you or your health, and that's obvious because they're going after vaping. They're not going after vaping because kids are dying. Those kids are buying illegal black market THC cartridges, okay? They know that. And don't lie, don't kid yourself. They know it. They know what they're doing. This is a plan that they have put into action. And that's the way they work, my friends. Believe it. Alright, let me get off of that soapbox, because damn it, it irritates. As Americans, we should be really pissed off right now. because our country is just going further and further down the shitter. We're losing our freedoms more and more. Alright, anywho, we're talking about the Vaptio Cosmo Kit. From this little arrow, you can change low, medium, high. Low is 10 watts, medium is 20, high is 30. It comes with a 0.5 and a 1.6 coil. I've got the 0.5 in here, and I really like it. My cat is driving me insane, you guys. She's over there tearing shit up. Those are my juice bottles, and she likes to knock it on the floor. Yeah, you drive me nuts. Anywho, I forgot where I was. Lord have mercy. Hopefully I cover everything. It's got 1 amp charging. It charges pretty quick. Oh, the lights, okay. You got a blue light, which is, here, it says right here. The blue is 70 to 100% power. Green is 30 to 70% power. And red is 0 to 30. When you're charging it, I might as well show you. Alright, you see the high is blinking. Now, that's because there's 70 to 100%. When they're all blinking, it means it was all the way empty or damn near it. And then when the low is blinking, that's what, 30 to 70, and when medium is 70 to 100, and so on. Don't try to get my memory to work. Hi. Are you looking for treats? She's looking for treats, and I just don't have any for her, man. She's never been in this situation where there were no treats. She's confused and mad. She knows that I typewrite her. She's smart. Don't think she knows what she's doing right now. Alright, that's enough of that. The Vaptio Cosmo, my friends. Yes, I like it. And yes, I would get another if someone stole it or if I lost it. And even I'm rocking the pink, man. They call this gold, by the way. Rose gold. I don't know about you, but if that's not pink, then I'm damn colorblind. I'm not sure if the camera's really picking up the colors that well. But, yeah, that's pink.
Here I am, my friends, breaking in. There will be no close-ups because there's no need. But just let me read this real quick for you, the protections, okay? We got low voltage, short circuit, overcharging, and over vaping protection. 5 amp, 5 volt, 1 amp charging, okay? Now, what I got next, if you keep watching, is going to be my kitty cam with some music. Peace, my brothers and sisters.